Like being in the class, like I had a lot of questions, and it makes me want to learn more about Islam. And basically, like I learned a lot. So I learned like what it is to like be Muslim, like how, like we know we have to worship Allah, but like how we worship Allah, like I learned a lot about that.
You need to be on time, and you have to be purified, and you need to be facing the Qibla, and these are all just things that establish your prayer. I also learned about that if you want to correct someone if they're doing something wrong, then you should do it in a really nice and a really humble manner, and you should never think of yourself as better as them, even if you are a bit of a proper Muslim than they are.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Amna, and in this class I've learned a lot. Many ways to get close with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For instance, reading Quran, reading lots of books, watching videos, reading about the young Sahabas, and learning about the Sunnahs. Apart from all of this, one of the main things I learned was establishing your Salah, and how important Salah is, and how important it is to pray Salah on time and not making it a Salah of a hypocrite. Getting close to Allah could be done in many ways, through zikr as well, and just by praying namaz doesn't make you really close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You have to really like push yourself, go like learn about many things. Apart from like all of this, with the small discussions we had in this class about the Day of Judgment, I learned so much. How you'd be giving a book of deeds either on your left hand, on your right hand. It's gonna last 50,000 years, and how we're all gonna be so desperate to know our answers and our final result. We'd be going to different prophets and all that.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Fama. I started off this class with my mom telling me to do it, and it's not something I really look forward to, as the other classes I've been through haven't had the best information, but the vibe and the vibe of this place has really been like amusing, and I enjoy coming here.
I also learned how spreading da'wah needs to be done in a proper manner, and that spreading da'wah has a is like a cover for our religion. If you spread da'wah in a proper manner, the reputation for Islam will remain like good. But if you don't like show good manners and don't be like a role model to those who aren't Muslim, then the reputation of Islam is not gonna be what people in Islam think. So
okay, one thing that I learned in these classes is having a strong connection with Allah is very important, and you can make connections with Allah by going to the masjid, praying salah on time, and right after azan, and you should read Quran.
I also learned that when you go to sajda, when you start praying, there's a bag full of sins on your back, but when you go to sajda, it drops. So that's why people should do sajda longer, especially those who sin a lot.
يا من صليت بكل الأنبياء، يا من في قلبك رحمة للناس، يا من ألفت قلوبا بالإسلام، يا حبيبي يا شافعي يا رسول الله، بأمي وأبي فديتك سيدي، صلاة وسلام عليك يا نبي. حبيبي يا محمد، أتيت بالسلام والهدى محمد، حبيبي يا محمد، يا رحمة للعالمين يا محمد، يا من حليت حياتنا بالإيمان، يا من بجمالك علمت الإحسان، يا من نورت قلوبنا بالقرآن، يا حبيبي يا شافعي يا رسول الله، بأمي وأبي فديتك سيدي.